Preparing chuck roast for air fryer. First to salt it. I'm using pink Himalayan salt. Turn it over. Wash your hand off. I got a bowl of soapy water down here, because I don't want to grab this with meat on my hands. Salt it again on the other side. Next, you want pepper on it. And you want garlic powder. And you're going to pick up a piece of meat and you're going to massage it. Try to, like that. Both hands though. Works better if you're massaging both hands. And then after you do that, you're going to bag it up. I put like 4 pieces. I'll say like a couple of thicks and a couple of thins. And you're going to bag it up in baggies. I use the quart size. Wash my hand off again. Okay. That's how you bag it up and squeeze the air out. It's already seasoned. And if you forget to thaw out some meat when you come home, well, just throw it in the air fryer. It's fine. And to do pork chops, cut around the edges, stab it in the middle, set and bag each one individually, or separate them with some kind of non-stick paper. Bye, y'all.